smart, shrewd, same, identical, different, disparate, try, endeavor, write, compose, story, narrative, rain, precipitation, modern, cutting edge, interesting, enthralling, no problem, no biggie.
Aw, no biggie.
Really?
No biggie.
Certainly. You bet.
You bet. You bet.
Kiss. Make out.
Let's make out. Wanna make out?
Shut up. Zip it.
Zip it.
Zip it.
Very lazy. Indolent. Very shy. Timid. Very calm. Serene. Very rich. Wealthy. Very poor. Destitute. Very long. Extensive. Very clean. Spotless. Very quick. Rapid. Do you know what can you say instead of very good? Let me know in the comment. Breakfast. Brekkie.
It's brekkie time. Brekkie!
Afternoon. Arvo.
That was when footy was played on the Saturday Arvo.
Toilet. Dunny.
You know what? I'm gonna go to the Dunny.
Great. Bonza.
It's Bonza!
Very busy. Snowed under.
How are you?
I'm snowed under, to be honest.
You know what, Jen? I'm snowed under here.
Very happy. On cloud 9.
How is Mark?
He's on cloud 9.
Like I'm on cloud 9 right now.
Postpone a plan. Take a rain check.
So, I'll take a rain check. I'll take a rain check.
Accept criticism. Face the music.
Face the music, pricks.
You're gonna face the music.
Go. Went. Eat. Ate. Have. Had. Make. Made. Take. Took. Think. Thought. Teach. Taught. Buy. Bought. Sit. Set.